Want to see blocked messages on iPhone? Then it's pretty simple and a quick process. So here's a step-by-step guidance on how you can easily see blocked messages on iPhone. First thing first, start by heading over to the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen and then simply head over to Apps. Search for the application Messages. Once you find it, head over to it. Once you're in this page, scroll all the way down and move into Blocked Contacts. You will be able to see all the list of the contacts that you have blocked on your device. Now, if you want to see the messages of them, all you gotta do is unblock them. Once you have unblocked, all the chats that you have done with this person will be visible to you. Simply move into Messages and then look for the message. In case if you have deleted the message, then you will not be able to view it. So make sure that the conversation is not deleted. So this is simply how you can see blocked messages on iPhone. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.